There are now more ways to save at Quick Mart. Become a Quick Club member and easily earn rewards on qualifying purchases at Quick Mart convenience stores. To get started, visit fuelrewards.com/pro or download the app in the Apple App Store and Google Play.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
It has been a rainy Wednesday across the Tennessee Valley, and at least light to moderate rain continues on into the early evening. We do get a break, though, here over the next couple hours as the back edge of that first round gradually shifts east of the area, but more rain will be coming as we head deeper into the overnight. Here at the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel studios, we've gotten just shy of 1 1/3 inches of rainfall today, but some locations across southern Middle Tennessee and northwest Alabama have picked up over 2 inches of rain today in spots, and there has been some localized flooding across the area. That threat will continue for the next couple days. Daytime high here was 59 degrees today in Lawrenceburg after starting in the mid-50s, and I think we'll be into the 60s, at least low to mid-60s as we head into our Thursday. Flood watch continues across all the viewing area on into Thursday evening. It expires at 6 p.m. Thursday for our Tennessee and Mississippi counties. It goes until midnight Thursday night for northwest Alabama. The overall idea, regardless of when the expiration time is, flooding potential, both in terms of aerial flooding, like the overall flooding, or flash flooding potential, will continue with multiple rounds of rain coming the next couple days, and it may continue on past Thursday. We have some additional heavy rain possible Friday night into the first half of Saturday. It's going to be a rainy next few days around here. Heavy rain shifting off to the east of the area this evening, light to moderate rain continuing overnight. Maybe some additional heavy downpours and rumbles with thunder after midnight into toward the early morning hours, especially North Alabama, but that might sneak into southern Middle Tennessee. No severe weather expected overnight. More additional heavy rain and thunderstorms moving in late morning into early afternoon for our Thursday, both sides of the state line. There could be a couple of thunderstorms with gusty winds, so we'll watch that. Can't completely rule out a severe thunderstorm warning, but the threat that's very low. At this time, I don't see any ingredients for tornado potential, but we always watch that just in case. But it's going to be a rain-cooled, stable atmosphere here, so I'm really not seeing a big severe weather threat with this. Behind this complex, into the late afternoon with a little sun, maybe sneaking up into the mid-60s before we fall back into the 50s by the early evening and lower 50s for overnight. And then the front really doesn't go anywhere. It kind of stalls near or just south of our area. A few showers possible Friday. A better chance of heavier rain again Friday night into at least the first half of Saturday with the next wave of low pressure. And that brings the cold front in here that knocks us back to the mid to upper 40s as we hit into Sunday. So back to cooler air, but nothing like the Arctic air that we just got rid of here across the Tennessee Valley. Staying in the 60s for Thursday and Friday, upper 50s to near 60 for Saturday. Just south of here, it may be warmer than that though. And then back to cooler air for at least a couple days into the 40s as we start next week. Morning lows next week back into the lower 30s. That's where we should be on average for this time of year. Yes, that will be near the freezing mark, but we expect that this time of year, nothing like the cold air we've just had. And then back toward the upper 50s toward the middle of next week. Your forecast for tonight, off and on wet at times. Showers, can't rule out a rumble of thunder here and there. Generally, temperatures won't move a whole lot compared to where they are right now in the mid to upper 50s. Few folks may even sneak into the lower 60s before daybreak. And then wet weather again for our Thursday. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Won't be an all-day rain, but at times showers and thunderstorms are likely. Daytime highs in the middle 60s over southern Middle Tennessee. Mid to maybe upper 60s in a few spots over northwest Alabama. And if there's going to be a stray severe thunderstorm warning or two, I think it's going to be closer to I-65 tomorrow where the air is a little warmer. Places like Limestone County, Morgan County, Lawrence County, Alabama. I would watch that, but severe weather threat there, while not zero, will be very low for our Thursday, but can't rely on a stray severe thunderstorm warning. Flooding will be the main threat. That's why we are watching that very carefully with flood watch in place. Few showers Friday, better chance of heavier rain and thunderstorms again Friday night into the first half of Saturday. And then we clear things out Sunday into early next week as we turn a little bit cooler back into the 40s Sunday to Monday, and then moderating quickly back into the upper 50s toward Wednesday of next week. There's the latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.